Right now we're at Wilderness Survival 2, which is the follow-up to Wilderness Survival 1. And one of the skills that's often covered in our courses is how to do what's called a stop cut when you're carving trap triggers or working on different manipulations that you're doing into wood for different applications, like creating a barb for a spear. So you have to think of this wood as a whole bunch of grains running along the length of it. What we're going to do with the stop cut is I'm going to hold this wood vertical and I'm going to hold my knife horizontal, and I'm going to cut perpendicular to that grain. Now, when I cut perpendicular to that grain, right, it's kind of hard to see, so I'll put it against my shirt. It creates what's called a stop cut. I'll come closer to the camera. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut into that cut, and you'll see that that's where that cut stops, hence the name stop cut. I'll repeat the process going perpendicular. And now once I get this flat, I tend to go on the left side. I tend to go on the right side. Again, stop cutting whenever I need to. And then I clean up the middle, just like that. If I do that over and over and over, I can create this 90-degree latch. There's my test. That can be used for trap triggers and a whole bunch of other things.